unique, created unmatched, as pleasant as the wind blow, as the sun fades orange over the creek. Walk alongside me and allow our solitude to rise deep in the depths of our words as we fly into our intimacy. You are me. Increase the connection we shared and is binded by every puzzle piece, mending the wounded heart out of colorful words, rejecting the slurs, cleansing the birds from the mirror so I can actually seek and see me. I martyr my own murder, giving life to a guilty verdict. My past will no longer stranger out the breath of my true identity. This is a love dance with me and me. Poem number 1, Dancing in the Love of Self. Shine rock to the peace.